Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Apple Intelligence on macOS 27. First of all, we have to open the Apple menu in top left corner of the screen. Then go to System Settings and find Siri on the sidebar. Open the Siri menu, scroll down to the bottom of this menu and select Turn Off Siri. Select Turn Off Siri, and now if you want to keep Siri but disable Apple Intelligence, you have to select Turn On Siri and select Use Previous Version. Then continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.